What is up, everyone? Aaron Prince for FBUIDscraper.com. Welcome to this quick tutorial instructional video and actually a demo of what these tools can actually do for you. So right off the bat, this is our landing page. And you have two components that you can actually use and utilize via the Chrome browser, basically. Okay, so first off, you get the Scrape Unlimited FB user IDs. You click on the button, and it takes you to the installation screen. You need to purchase a monthly subscription for both of them, and yeah, let me show you real quick how to go through this. So once you've installed the scraper, it shows a little button here that says FB. Okay, and what this basically does is it adds a little pop-up box which you can hide if you just want to browse Facebook, or you show the form and you actually see all the details. So this tool allows you to pinpoint and laser target your audience. Okay, so what we do, for example, is we're going to search for people who are interested in blogging from the United States, for example. Okay, so we click on it and it'll reload the screen and it'll show all of the people, not only in your friends list, but this is actually a graph search. Okay, so it shows every single person that's interested in the United States in blogging. Now, in this case, I'm using blogging in the United States, but you can do any interest, basically. So let's say you do something with like myself with playing cards, right, or magic, or you're interested in in Apple computers, people interested in Apple from Belgium, or people interested in horses from a specific state in the United States, or a city or a town. So it's all like really targeted users. Now, I'm going to give you the basics, but you can go a lot further with this. You can also target people in specific groups that you're a member of. You can target people who liked a specific page. You can see they like the page, they're a member of a group, a person that they follow, who have a specific gender, relationship, employer, city, hometown, or school friend, or name. So target people called Aaron from whatever country and whatever state and whatever city. You'll have a pinpoint laser targeted list, Facebook user IDs of that person. Okay, so what I did in the next tab is, because this is a graph search, and what you need to do is, once you searched in the top bar, what you need to do is, as you can see, this pop-up here doesn't really show anything that you can do right now. So simply hit the refresh button and it'll show you, it'll refresh that page, but it'll give you the correct screen you need. As you can see right now, it completely changed, and this is what you need. So what I would do is I would say United States, right, for the location you targeted, and blogging for the list of people that, or what the people are interested in. So name this list whatever you want, right? And all you need to do now is click Get You Idea, and it automatically creates your list, right? So for example, my girlfriend is working on a jewelry line, so we targeted women who are interested in jewelry from our home country, the Netherlands, in the city of Amsterdam. So we got 1,048 targeted. We could have kept on going way longer, but we were just testing this thing out because I created it. So now, while I've been talking to you, I've already scraped basically 158, 68, 76. I can keep on talking, but it's just the number is going to go up and up and up. And these users are interested in blogging, and they're from a specific country, in this case the United States. Okay, now let's say you want to stop this scrape. Right now I'm going towards 300 users, and I think 300 users is enough to do a little test campaign to see if it's converting, etc., etc. So I just close the tab, right? That's all. And I open up another Facebook page. Perhaps I need to do another search, but to get back to this screen again. Okay, so if you're on Facebook.com and you see the other screen, simply do a graph search and refresh the page to get back to this screen. And now, here we have a list, United States blogging 304 IDs. Simply hit download and it will just start downloading all the users in a .csv file. Okay, now I don't know what you do exactly with this data. That's all up to you. Use it for good. I have to say that, okay? Don't spam them. Don't do weird stuff with the data. But here is a CSV export of all the users that you just scraped. And it might take a little while to load in Excel or whatever CSV reader you're using. But in this case, let me select the tabs. Let me enlarge them a little bit. That's not a little bit, but it works. So here we have a pretty good list of users that are interested in blogging from the United States. This is part one, okay? If this is what you want to do, just get the UID scraper, okay? Now, personally, what I want to do is I want to use this list and convert it into email addresses. Okay, so if you want to do that as well, go back to fbuidscraper.com, go and click on the Convert Unlimited Facebook User IDs to Email Addresses and Phone Numbers, and click on that button to get that at the Chrome Web Store. You need to get a monthly subscription, same thing. And now what happens is over here next to the FB button, you've probably seen it, but here is the FBUID converter. If you click on this button, by the way, nothing will happen because it's open by default on Facebook, okay? But if you click on the email icon thingy, this page opens, okay? Now you can either copy paste the UID list, all right, or I can go to my downloads page. I can show that because I'm on the Mac. I just say click in Find in Finder. I'm going to choose the file. I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to get the user list that I created today at 2 p.m. It's 2 p.m. over here, 2:02 now, and it'll simply start importing the list we've just created. Okay, now the number of threads really depending if you're on a desktop, right, or on a laptop or a slow laptop. Be careful with selecting the number of threads. It simply means how fast it'll process the list, okay? If you do 5 or 1, it'll process 1 lead at a time, which is completely fine. If you click on 10, 20, 50, it's all good to me. So just click Start, and upper here, the icon, you can actually see a countdown. It's going really, really fast because I only have a couple of IDs in it. When done, as you can see here, it'll give you a pop-up saying the convert is complete. When you hit OK, it'll automatically download the lists to your hard drive. And when you click on those to open, here we now have a full Facebook email list of all the people that we just scraped. Again, use it for good. Don't use it for any bad stuff. There might be, as you can see here, okay, I'm not going to lie to you, there's probably going to be 1 or 2 errors because they have something weird in that field on their profile because this actually works alongside Facebook, okay? So, there might be a little error. Throw it out when you import it into your autoresponder or any other software that you might want to use this with. Now, a little tip from me, a little idea I want to give you. This is a Facebook email address, okay? So what happens is when you send an email, let's say from Outlook or Gmail or Hotmail, whatever, that message goes to their message inbox in Facebook, okay? So if you're willing, you could set up an email system where it looks like the email comes from your username. So in my case, my username is arbprins, facebook.com/arbprins. So the arbprins at facebook.com is my Facebook email. Now don't start sending me emails, but you can actually send me an inbox directly from your email. So let's say you cloak the email address that sends these messages. It looks like a Facebook chat one-on-one, right? So do be careful with spamming Facebook. Obviously, it's not recommended, but you can use these emails for basically any purpose. You can use this as a custom targeted audience list when you run an actual Facebook ad. They disable the upload for FBU IDs, but you can still upload the email addresses. Okay. That's a short tutorial for the FBU ID scraper and the FBU ID converter. FBUIDscraper.com. I wish you the best of luck with this tool, and I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts and opinions. Okay? Take care. Have a good day. Aaron Prince signing out. Bye.